Welcome to Fortinium. My name is Ray Schallberger and I'm the CEO and co-founder of this amazing company that intends to bring everyone and from any place and device secure access to internet and corporate web resources without a single change on their device. Sounds too good to be true? Give me a few minutes to convince you too. Globalization and increased employee mobility drive end-user and business pressure to open up corporate networks towards web and cloud-based services, as well as flexible usage of various types of endpoint devices such as tablets, smartphones and Chromebooks. As a result, classic internet filtering and security measures at the corporate network perimeter can no longer provide the required level of protection. Corporate IT and security have established numerous protection systems to keep known internet-based fraud away from corporate networks. But once devices leave the corporate network, or even private devices such as tablets or smartphones need to be integrated, risks increase dramatically and GDPR requirements are often not met. Additionally to this, the operational and financial effort to keep up such environment is very high. With Fortinium, users access the internet via any device and browser they have access to. Logins are validated by the Fortinium portal against the company's SSO, and each session then contained and secured within a virtual container where all active contents such as scripts execute. Visual content is then rendered in pure HTML5 and forwarded to the end user's browser. The end user sees no difference on his device. All works as before. Therefore, also no training is required. As all active elements and with that potential malware is contained within the virtual container of Fortinium and disposed when a session is closed, no attack to an end user's device, data or identity is possible through the browser session. Reverse, also a malware present on the end user's device is not able to access the containerized session on the remote server. While cloud and internet-based services are growing fast, most companies also will continue for some time to depend on numerous Windows-based applications for their day-to-day operation. Making these available to traveling users on various devices is a big challenge too for companies. Fortinium offers on-demand integration with its sister company's Cameo Windows application virtualization environment, providing users with seamless use of web services, Windows applications and data within their browser. All this on any device, any OS, no VPN required. The administrator defines by organization what functionality is available to users. Primarily, the following items can be configured: list of files which are available to users to launch, selection of preferred search provider, for example Google, Bing, Swisscows, navigation bar from where a user may launch on-demand websites. Additionally, available functionality within web sessions may be configured too, such as ability to download, upload files, requirement to cleanse files from macros and other active content, site login, and many more. So let's summarize the benefits of using Fortinium. Fortinium enables cloud, internet and corporate access across all devices and browsers while ensuring complete protection of company and user as no active browser content is exchanged between the sessions. The simplicity of setup, access and use improves users' productivity and satisfaction, but also reduces IT cost and helpdesk effort as there is no installation or deployment to the endpoint. Fortinium may be accessed as a hosted solution or operated in-house. And as a great operational, financial and security benefit, you won't need VPN nor RDP to use Fortinium. So let's look at some frequently asked questions. Do I need to set up my own infrastructure? No private infrastructure is needed. Authentication portal and virtualization environment usually are provided by your chosen cloud provider. If you do prefer a private infrastructure though, it's possible. What is the OS base of operation? The virtualized sessions in Fortinium are based on Linux containers. The portal server runs on Windows. How good is the scalability of the system? As sessions run in Linux containers, the system can dynamically add and reduce such as required for performance, but also restrict such based on budget you set. Where is Fortinium developed? Fortinium is a European solution, staffed and funded by Europeans and headquartered in Switzerland. What are third-party license requirements? None. For Fortinium, you don't need additional licenses. If you wish to add Windows virtualization with Cameo, you will need Windows Terminal Server and RDP. Which browsers are supported? On the endpoint, any modern browser that supports HTML5 can be used, no matter what device it's run on. The virtualization on the Fortinium server runs with Chromium, which ensures high compatibility as most modern browsers are built on that base. Customer-specific security hardening is possible on these servers. What is the price model? Fortinium licenses are based on named users per month. For the hosting, it depends on where you operate the environment and what resources you require. I hope this introduction gave you a good overview what Fortinium can do for you. We strongly believe that everyone should start running their browser sessions via Fortinium in order to keep their identity, data and computer environment safe while accessing all services needed for work from anywhere. Please reach out to me for any questions or request your free trial ID at portal.fortinium.com. Thank you very much.